Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro can't drag and drop video to timeline. First way is to go to the File tab at the top left and click on Import right here. And you can just select the video or photo that you want to edit within your project, and it will be added to the Project tab. And you can then drag this video to your timeline. And if that does not work, the next thing we're going to do is to right click on a video on your project tab, and from here we are going to select new sequence from clip, and that will create a new sequence from the clip. And what we can do here is to drag this video on the timeline to the main sequence by doing this, dragging it to the main sequence and then to the timeline. If that does not work, we can try to toggle the track targeting off by clicking on these blue boxes right here to uncheck them and toggle them off, and you can then try to drag your video again into the timeline. The next way is to click on the Window tab at the top left part of Premiere Pro, select Workspaces, and we are going to reset it to the saved layout. After that, you can then try to drag your video again into the timeline. And that is how you can basically fix Adobe Premiere Pro can't drag and drop video to timeline. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.